Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Chevy Traverse Premier. Super quiet. I'm going to go ahead and drop this down. Take you for a tour. Those LED headlight surrounds don't really flicker to the human eye. It's just a refresh rate on this camera. Let's have alloy wheels and sunroofs. I believe it has dual sunroofs. Dual exhaust. Yep, dual sunroofs. This is actually a trunk space. Very well thought out. Okay, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It's gray leather. As you see, you have captain's chairs in the second row, the third row. These have heated seats for the second row. There are those gorgeous sunroofs. All right, you see that it only has 1,624 miles on this vehicle. Here's your heated steering wheel, your cruise control, push to talk, your other infotainment and trip computer toggles. You come over here, you can see that you have both cooled and heated seats in the front. Coming down a little bit further, here are your additional power supplies, and you have a charging port right here for your phone, cup holder, key fob, shifter, and terrain selector, also towing selector. Okay. Go ahead and look at the backup camera. There's a high-res backup camera, and it does have sensors also. Okay, so it also has navigation, of which it's looking for an SD card. You do need an SD card to operate the navigation, or you can also operate it through Android Auto. Okay, it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. All right, well, that about wraps it up for this Chevy. Absolutely love those sunroofs. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. All front end damage from the driver front to the passenger front. The vehicle hit a stationary object. So the airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage. We were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.